Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I know that I'm looking rough right here. Your boy need a tape. But anyways, let me get down to business. This video is for uh one of my subscribers. She asked me a question on YouTube, and it's basically about her car, her vehicle. She have a 2012 FX Infiniti, the FX35 Infiniti. Basically, the dome light is not working. So she was like telling me that she spoke to somebody, most likely a mechanic, of course, and they said it could be the fuse. Now I replied back to her, let her know I don't know which one of the fuse, but she could get it checked out. It should not be expensive to take it to the shop and let them check to see what fuse is blown, because you could, when they pop the hood, they got different locations. I don't know if it's inside or outside underneath the hood, because they got different places they really put the fuses. If they check all the fuses and the fuses is good, none of the fuses are blown, it could be this module that located underneath the passenger side. They have like a black tray under there, and they have like this module. I'm gonna put a picture of that module up here. The name of it is, I think it's illumination module. Yeah, Infiniti FX illumination control module. That's what it is. Basically, when that go bad, I think you don't get no lights. You don't get no lights. When you open the door, there's no lighting. Sometimes you don't even get no light on the push to start button. And sometimes the one that they make with the GPS, I don't think you could see anything. You don't see no GPS. I don't know if the radio come on. I'm not sure about that. It's long story. I can't remember, but I don't think the radio comes on, or the GPS don't work, something like that. But I know also, if you have a push to start button, and around that year, I'm gonna say from 09 to 2013, when you walk up to the vehicle, sometimes the lights outside by the mirrors, underneath the side mirrors, they usually lit up and give you that lighting so you could see while you opening your car, going inside your car. That if that's not lit, that could be the cause. That's the culprit right there. Is the illumination, man, it's a long name. Illumination Infiniti FX illumination control module. That could be the culprit. And I'm gonna put a picture next to me. I'm gonna put a picture of it next to me. Your boy looking rough. I'm looking really rough, man. But I'm gonna put a picture next to me. That could be the culprit. So as I said, Miss Emma, hopefully you see this video, and hopefully this video helps, and hope this video help everybody who have a FX around who have that problem around that year model from 2009 to about 2013. Now I'm gonna leave the description, like the model number and everything, that you could look up, and you should find it. If you type it in Google, it should pull it up and show you different ones that they have in on eBay. And when you click on it, of course, before you buy, eBay is going to ask you what's the year, of course, the model. What else? The year, model, and man, I'm forgetting something. Oh my goodness, what's wrong with me today? Yeah, the year, the make, and the model. Year, make, and the model. Sorry about that. eBay is going to ask you the year, the make, and the model, and it should come up with if it'll work. It also will work with also the if it comes out of I think the Q50, it should still work as well. But most likely Once you put in the year, the make, and the model in eBay, because eBay is going to ask you before you buy it. They want to make sure you have the right part. They're going to make sure you have the right part to purchase. They're not going to send you anything. So they're going to ask you the make, the model, and the year of your vehicle. And they're going to say that if it's not the right one, they're going to recommend you which one they have available. Now, since the inflation, it might run you about, I'm looking at one of them right here right now. Cheapest one that I saw, well, this one that I'm looking at right now, it's like 100. It's going to run you over $200. The one that I'm looking at right now. So let me hit add to cart and see. Actually, no, not add to cart. I'm gonna, let me remove that. Let me remove that. Oh yeah, I'm not even signed in on this other phone to see. All right, let me click on it anyways, and let me try to do it. Let me hit buy. No, I can't. I'm not gonna hit buy now. Yeah, I'm not even signed on this. I'm not signed on this phone, so it's not even giving me. Okay, let me kind of back out. Let me hit back. Hit back. Yeah, it's not really letting me. I need to sign in before I could do anything. But I see one of them from 2009 to 2017. Infiniti Fx35. It works for the FX37 FX50 FX70. It's used. Is on eBay. This one is like $250, $249.99. I see another one like $300. Another one $249.99. Another one is $184, which is not bad. That one is more reasonable, and all of them is used, but they make sure they work. They make sure that they work before they send it to you. So, and if it don't work, of course, they give you could return it and get your monies back. Yeah, it's in stock. The OEM is said Infiniti FX35 chassis light lamp illumination control module. Yeah, in stock 187.20. And of course, the OEM is basically the original manufacturer, so it's not no aftermarket brand or anything. So if you look up for the OEM, let me show you a picture of it. It looks just like this, and this model number is 284601CA0A. Well, actually, this one is out of stock. Yeah, a lot of people been having that problem, so this one is out of stock. But most likely, if you type in that number, as I said, I'm gonna leave a picture. I'm gonna leave a picture on the screen, so you could type in that model number, which is 284601CA0A. That you could type it in, and it will works for, as I said, it worked for the FX from 2009 to 2013. I've seen some other ones that works for the same, that works for the for different models as well of the Infiniti FX. So just look it up, and it's, as I said, it's located underneath the passenger, underneath the glove box. So you're gonna see like this black plastic piece. You got to take your time, or if you don't want to break it or anything, just take it to a shop. Make sure you get the part first. But first of all, if you want to get everything done, first let them check to see if any one of the fuse is blown. And if they say, oh ma'am, none of the fuse is blown, they check. I don't know how much they're gonna charge, maybe $20, maybe $30. It's worth it. It shouldn't even be that much, but during the inflation, you know how these mechanics are. It shouldn't take that long to check all the fuse to see if they're blown or not. Trust me, they have the tool that they could check to see if it's busted, if the fuse is busted inside. They got a light or something that they could see. Yes, but if they come back and say, hey, none of the fuse is blown, we're gonna charge such and such to search for any of the fuses blown. If none of them is blown, most likely is that module that's bad, that need to be replaced. And once you replace it, it's very easy to replace. All it is, you pull on that black tray underneath. You got to screw it out, and it's a clip that you disconnect and connect the new one that you're gonna purchase off eBay and put it back together. Piece of cake, easy. Everything should start working right away. Hopefully this video helps. As I said, I'm gonna leave the I'm gonna leave the picture up here so you guys could see it, and hopefully it helps. Thank you for that question. You know, I searched, I did my thing. Hopefully this resolve your agony, you know, that pain. Man, I hate it. Can you imagine you go inside your car at nighttime and there's no light? Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like that either. That would have pissed me off. I would have been pissed every day. Can you imagine picking up somebody, driving for Lyft, picking up somebody, and they open the door, you can't even see their face because the light in the car didn't come on. Oh my gosh. But what a pain, man. Vehicles always have some type of problems, but it's a good thing that's not no major issue. The vehicle is totally drivable, you know, so that's just one thing that everybody needs. You need light in the car, especially at nighttime, so it's very understandable. But yeah, hopefully this helps. Hopefully this give you an idea if the mechanic don't know, because as I said, it's so many different electronics and stuff, so you got to start from the basics. Let them check for the fuse first, and then be like, okay, knock that out, you know, hey, it's not the fuse. Most likely some of the mechanics will know, some of them won't know. They'll probably charge you a heavy fee for the diagnostic. We don't know. I don't know how it is over there, but here in Florida, the guys who I go to, they work with me, so you know, if something that I don't know, I'm taking it to the shop, and they're not going to tell me no foolishness overcharging me. If it's a price that I don't agree with, I'm not doing it. So not because you want it so bad you're going to jump and say you're going to get it. No, it don't work like that. Shop around, go and see who is the cheapest, and not only because of the price, you know, because everybody have different knowledge in these type of stuff. So try to find somebody who you trust and give you a good explanation. I know right now everybody want money. It's an inflation. Everybody is greedy right now, but it still have some good people in this world. So you might find somebody who will work with you, but it should not be expensive to let ask a mechanic how much they charge just to check the fuse, just because your dome light is not working. So let them know the problem that you're facing, that you have. Hey, my dome light is not coming on. This light is not coming on. How much you guys will charge just to check? And, you know, can you guys check my fuses to see if any of my fuses are blown? They might tell you some foolishness, because I know how they be. But if they good, they'll check it and they'll let you know, hey, none of the fuses blown. Sometime they'll say, hey, I'm not going to even charge you nothing, or 10, 15 bucks, most likely 20. No, you know, it's their time, but that shouldn't be nothing hard for them to check. And if it's none of the fuse, it's most likely it's that module that's bad that need to be replaced. Go on eBay, type in, go on Google and type in this model number, and it's gonna pop up. It's gonna recommend you to probably click on one of them that's on eBay, and eBay will gonna let you type in the make, the model, and the year of your vehicle. Make sure it match specifically for that vehicle. And You know, it's up to you. Whenever you get the money, you purchase it, you take it, let them change it out. Boom, everything should work. So that's all I gotta say. Hopefully hopefully this video help you out. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if anybody have any vehicle information problem they want to ask, put it into the comment section and ask me any question. I will give you the answer of my best knowledge, you know, help you guys to save some money. Yeah, peace, bye bye, take care, God bless, and I am out of here. Bye bye, take care guys.